Embarking on a journey to Belize is just the starting point of an exceptional adventure. Upon arrival, you'll have the chance to uncover the allure of our exquisite beaches, vibrant jungles, and numerous islands. Whether you choose to traverse the trails of the Belizean Nature Reserve or delve into the ancient Mayan ruins in the Cayo district, a range of transportation options awaits. From local airlines and helicopters for aerial perspectives to rental cars, buses, boats, and even horseback rides, we provide diverse means to guide you on your exploration, leading you away from the conventional routes. The possibilities are abundant as you set out to discover Belize's diverse landscapes and cultural treasures. Belize, a hidden gem nestled between Mexico and Guatemala, is a fusion of rich history, cultural diversity, and stunning natural beauty. Picture this: ancient Mayan ruins peeking through a lush rainforest, diverse languages filling the air, and crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea lapping against pristine, sandy beaches. Intrigued? We thought so. Stay tuned to discover what you need to know before setting foot in this tropical paradise. If you find this video enjoyable, kindly hit the subscribe button to ensure you catch our upcoming adventures. Your subscription ensures you won't miss out on our next exciting video. Before you pack your bags, there are a few things to bear in mind. Belize is a beautiful tropical paradise, but even paradise has a few rules. You'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months left before expiration. No visa is generally required for stays less than 30 days, but check your country-specific requirements to be sure. Don't forget about travel insurance. It can be a real lifesaver in case of any unexpected events. Belize's official language is English, so communicating should be a breeze. The local currency is the Belize dollar, but US dollars are widely accepted, so you won't need to worry about exchanging money. With these tips in mind, you'll be well prepared for your adventure in Belize. Now, let's talk about where to stay and what to eat in Belize. The country offers a wide variety of accommodations to fit every traveler's style and budget. If you're a beach lover, consider renting a beach house. These homes offer stunning views of the Caribbean Sea and easy access to the sand. For those who prefer a touch of luxury, Belize boasts world-class resorts with top-notch amenities, including spas, fine dining, and private beaches. Moving on to the cuisine, Belize is a melting pot of cultures, and this is reflected in their food. You'll find a mix of Caribbean, Maya, Garifuna, and Mestizo influences. Don't miss out on trying some popular local dishes like rice and beans, stewed chicken, and fried jacks. For seafood lovers, the fresh catch of the day grilled to perfection is a must-try. And for dessert, savor the sweetness of a traditional Belizean bread pudding. Whether you're a foodie or a comfort seeker, Belize has got you covered. Wondering about the weather in Belize? Let's break it down for you. Belize enjoys a subtropical climate with warm temperatures throughout the year. The dry season from November to May offers clear skies and is the best time to explore the beaches, ancient Mayan sites, and lush rainforests. The rainy season, from June to October, is less crowded but equally beautiful. Despite a few tropical showers, the natural beauty shines through. No matter when you choose to visit, Belize's weather is always welcoming. Finally, let's touch upon safety and how to get around in Belize. Belize is generally a safe destination, but like anywhere else, it's important to stay informed and vigilant. Avoid displaying expensive items and always keep your belongings secured. Now, on to transportation. Belize boasts a variety of options to get you from point A to point B. Taxis are readily available and offer a convenient way to navigate the city. Just remember to negotiate the fare before you hop in. For a more authentic experience, you might want to consider the public buses. Not only are they cost-effective, but they also provide a unique opportunity to mingle with the locals and immerse yourself in the Belizean culture. There's also the option of renting a car, allowing you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Just remember, always keep a map handy and stay on the main roads. With these insights, you're now ready to explore Belize like a pro. So, are you ready to embark on your Belize adventure? We've covered all the essentials, from pre-travel advice to the best accommodations and tantalizing foods. We've touched on the climate, the optimal time to visit, and the diverse plant and animal life. We've also explored the safety aspects, transportation options, and currency. And of course, we've highlighted the must-visit beaches. Remember all these tips, and you're set for a memorable journey. With its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and friendly locales, Belize awaits you. Safe travels!